Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared, do your own personal research about it to know, to understand it better, and also practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, if you not joining me live and direct, then definitely you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a reasonable one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. From this support zone, it started an uptrend, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It came to an end at this resistance zone and it started selling right from there, which actually stopped at this support zone. You can see it respected it around there, also respected it here. So right now it is buying at the moment. You can see the yellow flag, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend and it has been selling for long. The trend came to an end at the support zone, and of course, even though the market played around there for a while, but you can see it spiking up till it got to this level. So this is going to be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been on downtrend right from here. You can see the crashes on the red flag, and of course it came to an end at the support zone. So right now it's going back into a buy trend and it is just starting also. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 started the downtrend right from this resistance, so you can see the red flag and of course the red arrow, and of course it has been selling since then. Got to the support zone, was unable to go below that, and it's trying to go back into a buy trend, but it needs to break out above this resistance zone, and when that happens, then definitely it's going to buy more. But for now, we should be expecting more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay guys, finally, this is Qora Digital. Volatility 75, and of course we're still on 5 minutes time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This started the downtrend right from this resistance. So you can see the red flag and the arrows. Okay, they are all red arrows, and of course it has been selling since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it is unable to break out below this support zone. That is when it's going to buy again. Okay, but for now it should give us more of a selling opportunity. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.